Let us continue with the topic relational algebra. In previous video, I explained about the basic operations that are used in the relational algebra. Now let us discuss the first one, that is a selection operation. So this is a symbol operator that we used for the selection. So this selection operator, it selects tuples. So I said this operator is used only to select the rows in the table. So it selects tuples that satisfy the given predicate from a relation. So this is the definition of this select operation. It selects the tuples that satisfies the given predicate of a relation. So whatever the predicate that satisfy the those tuple, those rows will be selected from a relation. So what is a predicate? So a predicate is nothing but it refers to an expression. So just a predicate is nothing but an expression that determines whether something is true or not. True or false, you can take. Something is true or false. So a predicate is nothing but it refers to an expression that determines whether something is true or false. So that is a selection operation. So here in selection, the selection operator selects only the tuples that satisfy the condition. So whether it is a true or a false, those statement from a relation will be selected. Then what is the notation? Notation for this selection operator is sigma p of r. So this is an expression that we used for selecting tuples which satisfies a condition from a relation. So what is here? Sigma, we already know that sigma is select predicate, means it selects the rows based on the condition. And whereas a p here, a p is nothing but a prepositional logic. You can call it as a prepositional logic. What is the use of this prepositional logic? So the prepositional logic formula, which may use connectors like and, or, and not. So this preposition logic formula is used may use for the connectors like it may use and, or not operations. So just like a predicate. So with the help of this and operation or operation or not operation, we are just selecting the rows from different tables. Okay, with the help of this condition. That is a preposition logic. Next is what is the use of the R? R stands for relation. Means the name of the table. R is the name of the table. And this is a notation we used. Now let us continue with this. These terms may be used relational operators like equal to, not equal to, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, like that. And or not is nothing but. Now let us see some examples for this relational algebra select operation. So first let me take one example. Sigma subject is equal to database books. So this is a query in relational algebra. So what is the output we will get for this query? It selects tuples, means the rows. So here this is the table name, relation name. It selects tuples from books. Then what is the predicate? What is the condition? Books, where subject is database. So whatever the subject that is present, so this is a table. The table name is the books. So it selects the tuples from books where subject is database. So subject is one of the attribute. So in that some books is there, means some database, sorry, a name database is there, database, COA, DBMS. So like that, different attributes, means in this subject is an attribute, in that you are having some domain values. So these are the domain values. So this statement select tuples from books where subject is database. So only the subject that is related to database, those tuples will be selected, means these two rows will be selected. Okay, so we'll get the new table as with the column as subject, only database. So instead of selecting complete the 4 tuples, just it takes only the 2 tuples that are which satisfy this predicate. Select tuples from books where subject is database. So that is output. Let me take one more example. Sigma subject. So again, this is the attribute that I'm going to be select. Here database is the value, the domain value, database, and price is equal to 450 from books. So this is a statement. So what is the output we will get from this? The output for this statement is it select tuples, it select the rows from books where subject is database. Okay, subject is database and price is 450. Okay, suppose here one more column is the price. So for this database subject, this is 450 and this is 300 and this is 100 and this is 150, like that. So here this statement selects the rows. Okay, so only the subject is database. So and it satisfies the condition the price is 450, means only this row will be selected. So subject, price, and the subject is database and the price is 450. Only one row will be selected. So but here this database price is 300. So but we want only this predicate has to be satisfied. It select tuples from books where subject is database and price is 450. Okay, and let me take one more example, then you will be satisfied what is this actually relational operator select. Sigma subject is equal to database and price is equal to 450. Okay, or I'm using the or operator, or year is greater than 2010 from the table books. So this is a statement. Then what will be the output for this statement? So it select the tuples from books where subject is database. Okay, one column is selected, subject is database. So in that again it checking, and the price should be 450. Or those books published after 2010, those will also be selected. And this is the output for this, means that table will be displayed for this query. Okay, for this relational algebra, it selects the tuples, the rows from books where subject is database and the price is 450, and also the book should be published in the year 2000, after 2010, means 2011, like that, after 2010. So this is the selection operator. Thank you.